Boy, they know what's up
Yeah.
now.
And I really appreciate the answer. Thanks so much. Alice in Chains actually working on a new album right now. It should be out sometime in the fall.
Drop it right in the middle
Because not even the
of
band
both
yet.
of them.
Severely sex sounds and bombastic broadcast banter. Next on Hard Drive FM. Here's another question from the Dark Sighting the mailbag. Jason from Buffalo writes, I have a habit of being asleep and not being able to get up again. Any suggestions? Yeah. If you get Darkers with your renter's insurance, it's quite easy, really. You know you're protecting your stuff with it as $12 a month, which I suspect will make you sleep much sounder. And you'll just pop out of bed resting, ready to start your day. What he's saying is, a renter's policy is basically insurance for your snooze button. That's much better than you, John. Visit Geico.com to see how affordable renter's insurance can be. Hello out there, Tom drivers of America. And isn't it a beautiful, traffic-free day today? Well, for you anyway. Yes, with new TomTom HD Traffic, that device of yours is a certified game changer. It steers you clear of backups automatically. More brakes, more coverage, and more accuracy means you can get anywhere with time to spare.
Dad, drop them in the middle. Get ready to drop them. Drop them. You should drop them. Come on now. Don't, not over there. Drop them though. For real.
The name alone has spawned legendary confusion. Like the time the Wall Street Journal got it in their head.
Oh shit, he's about to get it. Yes. Quick.
Concerned citizens called for heads to roll.
No.
State troopers were arresting folks for driving under the influence of the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms is all
Let it eat, whatever. He got it.
Luckily,
That he ain't got his mouth.
somewhere in that bureaucracy.
But his tail.
Just accuse the power tag, at least for now. So one more time for the Yankee press, state cops, feds, and